नमस्कार मो नाम बबिता पट्टनायक मु जड़े ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर एंड co-owner of a home health company in rural Missouri. तो मते रिसेंटली मते कोविड-19 हेची आज मोर 12 दिन ऑफ ऑल डेज आज मोर देह बहुत भल लगुची मु निजे निजे उठी पड़ली 5टा बेलू मोर यूजुअल रूटीन जोटा थिला देह खराब हवा पूर्वर आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग इट बैक गत 2 दिन है मु 5टा 5:30 भितर उठी पड़ुची आ उठिकी मु तो यूजुअली चले 5 माइल किंतु जेहेतु आज ठंडा अच्छी प्लस मु एबे भी रिकवर करची तो निजको टे प्रोटेक्ट करुची किंतु मो भितर लगुच कि मु आज चली पारिबी जतबे खरा हबो मे बी इन द मिडल ऑफ द डे मु किछि हाफ ए माइल मे बी आई कैन वॉक सो ग्रेजुअली मु चेष्टा करछि निजको स्ट्रेंथन करबाको इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग मोर एबे बहुत भल एनर्जी लेवल रोची आज फॉर ए चेंज मु कथा ही पारछि तंटीटा बसिनी मो टी शर्ट रे देखि पार्थुवे लिखाई कि आई कांट स्टे होम बिकॉज आई एम ए essential person. So that means कि मु जड़े थेरेपिस्ट सो मु केबे भी घरे रहिनी दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम लिटरली इन ट्रू सेंस इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम कि एका संगरे मते फोर्सिबली रहिबा को पड़ला कारण मु पॉजिटिव तो मु तो स्प्रेड कर पारिबिनी एबे फर्स्ट 12 to 15 days से माने कहंती यू कैन बी अ सुपर स्प्रेडर so तेणु मु just to prevent me from getting any complications and also preventing the spread मु चेष्टा करुची जेते पारिबी घरे भितरे आ स्पेशली एई रूम भितरे रहिबाको एटा टिके कष्ट बिकॉज मु गोटे थेरेपिस्ट एंड मु सबु बळे मु गोटे स्थिर होइकी बसेनी मते एबे जेहेतु देह खराब हेची तो आई एम लिटरली फोर्स्ड to be in this room in isolation and doing absolutely nothing which is just difficult तो मु बुझी पारुची बहुत सारे लोक जे इंडिया रे अछंती जो माने काम करछंती जानकर डेडलाइंस अच्छी जो माने निजको सबु बळे गोटे रन माने लिटरली दे आर रनिंग ऑल देयर लाइफ व्हिच इंक्लूडेड मी बिकॉज मो गोटे केयर टेकर माने मो गोटे थेरेपिस्ट ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट एंड मो जॉब हला पेशेंट मान को भल करवा तो जतले आम भाया लोक जो मैंने धरतु डॉक्टर्स जो मैंने फिजिकल थेरेपिस्ट जो मैंने नर्सेस तांको देह जतले खराब हो जाए इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस बिकॉज वी फील एथिकली रॉन्ग कि आम केमती घर बस पारू जब आम पेशेंट मैंने एत सिक अच्छा सो से दृष्टि भी इनिशियल फर्स्ट 2 days आई वाज स्कैर्ड बट मुझे कहीदे जे मुझेतु गोटे प्रोग्राम करी nrbnews24.com रे विच स्टार्टेड इन जून ऑफ दिस ईयर जब बहुत जोर लॉकडाउन चलता सो वी इंटरव्यूड लॉट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स इन डिफरेंट फील्ड धरतु डॉक्टर्स देर वेर business owners, there were nurses, there were teachers and professors. So समस्ते आसी आम शो रे आम इंटरव्यू करूँ कि केमती से माने मैनेज कर प्रोफेशन रे कितने इफेक्ट होती से आम बहुत सारा जिनस शुणी जो साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट से साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट मु कहूँ मोर कौन है सो प्रथम जिते मु शुणिली कि आई एम पॉजिटिव एटा हेथिला 10-11 दिन आगर कथा सो आई वाज व्हेन आई फर्स्ट गॉट माय सिम्पटम्स व्हिच वाज मु फ्राइडे उठिली मोर काम को जीवार थिला आ मो देह हाथ बहुत जोरे बिंधिला मते टिके लागला ज्वर थिला बेले सो मु चेक कली मोर टेम्परेचर ज्वर नथिला किंतु तंटी पूरा पड़ जाइला देहटा उषुम लगुला भितर सो आई न्यू आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल सो आई सेड आई विल टेक ऑफ बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट टू गो एंड सी माय पेशेंट इन दिस कंडीशन एंड मत बहुत सारा ड्राइव भी करा पड़े पेशेंट देखा सो आई मेड एन इनफॉर्म्ड डिसीजन कि मुझे जीविनी तो ମୁଁ ଘରେ ରହିଲି ମୋର ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ କଲ୍ କରିକି ମୁଁ ରିସ୍କେड्यूल କରିଦେଲି कि ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି on Saturday. In the meantime, I got up, I went to the bathroom and then I went to the living room. ମୁଁ usually ମୋର routine हुए कि ମୁଁ yoga करे ମୁଁ ଚାଲେ yoga करे तापरे ମୁଁ ready हुए कामକୁ ଯିବାକୁ. I could not feel, I didn't feel good. I just knew that I had to stop and rest. तो ମୁଁ सोफा ଉପରେ ବସିଥିଲି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କେତେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରାୟ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ସେଇଠି ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଛି. So when my daughter had to go to school, she goes to school around 7 a.m. So from 5 to 7 a.m. I was totally zonked off, which was very unusual. So my husband told me, you need to stay home and just rest. And that's what I did. So I rested. Um, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଅନୟୁଜୁଆଲି ଶୋଉଥିଲି ମାନେ ଏକଦମ ଏମିତି ଶୋଇଛି କି ମୋତେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଥରେ 2-3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଶୋଇଲି. Then I got up and I said, no, this is not normal. This is something not right. So I happen, since we have a home health agency, we have access to rapid testing. मुझे rapid test करली. Rapid test रे negative आसला. So I got excited. I said, well, it's just maybe थंडा धरची की flu ହେଇଛି. But then in the back of my mind, I constantly kept telling myself, ଏଇଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ନର୍ମାଲ ଫ୍ଲୁ ସିମ୍ପଟମ୍ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଏତେ ବେଶୀ ମୋତେ ଟାୟାର୍ଡ଼ ଲାଗିବ କାହିଁକିନା ମୁଁ ତ ବହୁତ ଏନର୍ଜେଟିକ୍ ସକାଳେ ମୋର ଏମିତି କ'ଣ ଲାଗିବ. ତ ଆଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ମାଇ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ସେଡ୍ ଓକେ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ୱେଟ୍. ସୋ ଦେନ୍ ଫ୍ରାଇଡ଼େ ସରିଲା ରାତି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଯାକ ଶୋଇଛି ଉଠୁଛି ଖାଇବାକୁ ବିଲକୁଲ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲାନି ଯେମିତି ଜ୍ୱର ଆଗର ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ସେମିତି. ତାପରେ ରାତିରେ ଦେହ ବହୁତ ଜୋରରେ କାଟିଲା. ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ପେନ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ रियल बैड पेन्स जमती आपण मैंने खेलिकी आसला पर जमती व्यथा हुए सेमती मैंने टच कले मोर मसल पेन होता. मोर हेडेक है द बैक ऑफ द हेड दी साइड रे एपटरू एपटरू पूरा मुंड को गला हेडेक्स. तापरे मुंडटा पूरा ये जो साइनस एरिया ये जगहटा आउ ए ऊपर जगहटा पूरा माने धरिकी रही आउ नाक बंद हो जाता. मो निश्वास पार्टी ना आरंभ कली. So then I thought, this is not right. This is not, like all of a sudden, how can I feel like this? And I started feeling extremely weak, which is completely opposite of who I am. At least my body is not weak like that. So then I decided I will rest. I rested. I slept. First day, I probably slept 10 hours from morning, all through the morning, afternoon. Soily, and then I started drinking a lot of water. In the meantime, I knew I have been taking arsenicum album as a preventive. So I took arsenicum album. I took it and I took some Arnica Montana. I've been taking homeopathy medicine for a while. So I took that. Pain tike kamila, manageable thila. Then I said, okay, I am going to, I had an interview in the TV, Nandi Ghosh TV re, moro ta paradina interview thila. So I was worried about that and I said, I'm not going to cancel at the last moment. It was a 30-minute section and I had not prepared anything. But, I really did not need any preparation because I had already worked on hosting these shows since June. So I kind of felt okay, but my body wise, I was not feeling up to it. So I took some acetaminophen, which is Tylenol here. So then since I slept all through the day, I was able to be up and I started preparing. Just a basic thing of kon kahibi, kon pachari paranti. And then in the meantime, I had to deal with some technicalities of, when you do the video things from back home and amaro compatibility achi. And I'm not very technically savvy, so I'm learning now. And this project is going to be one of those. Not knowing, I'm not a kid where I grew up with these computers. You ask me anything in my head, I'll tell you and I can explain things to you. But if you want me to do these things, which right now I'm doing, I'm trying to do this video. I hope it comes out well. But Again, needless to say, seta karli mu. Mu basiki ସବୁ preparation kali almost till 2 o'clock. Then I said I have to sleep. So I went to bed at 2, and then at 5 o'clock, you know, when you have this adrenaline rush of something that you're going to do, you forget about aches, pains. Kichi alani na jara na munda batha kichi bhi jana padlani. So I did my interview, which was quite early, about 6:30 a.m. here. So I did my interview, went well for 30 minutes. I don't know how that went by. It just was amazing. And then after the interview was over, I suddenly had this feeling of tiredness. So I thought maybe I should sleep it off. So tapare mu asiki ghante deda ghanta soili. Kintu tapare uthila pore mo mundo jaha bhari hela mane ekdam, again the pain was right here around my eyes and I couldn't see properly. I felt like I could inhale something, you know, like water, steam inhale kale maybe bhal lagibo. So I started inhaling steam, and that was basically just from congestion. It was not something that I knew I should do it, but then somehow that helped a little bit. So that went Saturday whole dinota samti gala. Sunday dino puଣି ଉଠି ପାରିଲିନି, ଦେହ ବଥା ହେଲା, ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବଥା ହେଲା, congestion ହେଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା significant ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା କି ମୋର ଖାଇବା ଇଚ୍ଛା କମିଗଲା, loss of appetite. And now I'm relating, going back, कि ମୋର ଖାଇବାର ଯୋଉ ଇଚ୍ଛାଟା ଥିଲା, that was basically because of taste and smell. My taste and smell had gone. କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେମିତି ଥଣ୍ଡାରେ ଲାଗେ ମୋତେ ଲାଗିଲା କି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, maybe ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଛି, flu ହେଇଛି, because ମୋ test negative ଆସିଥିଲା। ତାପରେ Monday ମୁଁ କାମକୁ ଗଲି. But at work, I knew that something was not right because when I drove, I was not able to focus. ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ କରୁଛି, ଲାଗୁଛି ମୁଁ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିବି, ମାନେ ଏକଦମ ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯାଉଛି। ଗୋଟେ ଅଦ୍ଭୁତ ଫିଲିଂ ଥିଲା, ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିପାରୁନି। ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଫିଲିଂ ଅଫ୍ ବିଙ୍ଗ ଲଷ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସେନ୍ସ କି ତମେ ଯାହା କାମ କରୁଛ, କେବେ କେବେ ଲାଗୁଛି ତମେ କରୁଛ ସେଇଟା କାମ କରୁଛ ନା ଆଉ କେଉଁ ଜୋନ୍ରେ ଅଛ। ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ କହିଲି, ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ଟିକେ ପଢ଼ିଲି କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସିମ୍ପଟମ୍ସ, ମାନେ ଏସିମ୍ପଟୋମାଟିକ୍, ମାଇଲ୍ଡ ସିମ୍ପଟମ୍ସ, ମଡରେଟ୍, ଆଉ ଯେଉଁ ସିଭିୟର ସିମ୍ପଟମ୍ସ। ତ ମୋର somewhere between mild and moderate, I think. So there was something that says कि तमरो टिके forgetfulness हबो, and that's what I completely connected कि हाँ मोर सेटा होची। So I drove to work, which is about 10 minutes drive. It was fine. The sun was hitting my face. I felt good. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ମାନେ drift off ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲି। କାମକୁ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲି, କାମରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ପଚାରିଲେ, you don't look good, you look bad, you really, I mean, not in a bad sense, but they said, you look like a train wreck. That is an expression. ସେମାନେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦେହ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ଲାଗେ। So I said, oh, don't worry, I just maybe have a touch of a bad cold. That's what I thought because my test was negative. So I went in, I went in a little late, about 9:30, and I worked 5 hours. We had some very time sensitive things that we had to do. It was quite stressful. There were some concerns with our patients. ତାଙ୍କର ଏବେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମର କୋଭିଡ ପେସେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଆମର ବହୁତ ସାରା ରୁଲ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରେଗୁଲେସନ୍ସ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ୁଛି, ତ ସେଇଟା କରିବାକୁ ଥିଲା। ଆହୁରି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଜିନିଷ ଥିଲା। So I had to take care of that since I'm one of the administrators. My husband deals with all the operations related to finances and other stuff, and I do the clinical side. So I had to deal with a lot of clinical aspects and staffing issues because one of my staff, ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି physical therapist, ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୋଠୁ ବେଶୀ ହେଇଯାଇଛି since she's diabetic. So she has a lot of comorbidities. So she was extremely sick, and we happen to have tests every week. ଆମେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମେ therapist, ଆମେ patient ଘରକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ, ଆଉ ଆମର state guideline କହିଛି that we have to have testing done every week, and if you are positive, then you cannot see patients. So according to that, our tests were scheduled on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, in the meanwhile, mo deha auri kharap in the sense, I told my husband, I said, this is not getting better, I'm getting worse. So in the meantime, I have a friend who is also practicing homeopathic physician. So she mate suggest kale ki tame এই যে আর্সেনিকম অ্যালবমটা এবে 4 আওয়ার্স খাও তো মু ଦି ଦିନରୁ every 4 hours start କରିଦେଲି ଖାଇବା and night time ରେ because I was feeling so uncomfortable I took acetaminophen just twice I mean two tablets regular acetaminophen 325 grams dita খাইলি so I through this night I slept pretty good then on Tuesday I got up complete congestion पूरा dryness of mouth आखि गुड़ाक पूरा केमती जो जर हेले जमती ग्लॉसी ग्लॉसी लगे किंतु मोर जर नथिला and my oxygen saturation constantly stayed at 90 between 98 99 so I mean I was not worried but then I knew that something is not right so then after we did the test Tuesday morning we did the test all my my office staff ଆମେ ପ୍ରାୟ 8 ଜଣ କରିଥିଲୁ all of them came negative except me oh my god that was I mean I was expecting but then I was really not expecting because I did all the right things I have been careful I've been using all the precautions I have been eating right I've been exercising I've been doing yoga meditation that first moment when the lady came out ଆମେ କାରରେ ବସିଥିଲୁ ସେମାନେ ଆମର ଇଏ କଲେ nasal swab କରିକି ନେଲେ and they brought back the results and they said ma'am you are positive and your husband is negative I thought how can that be possible this is so infectious there's no way he can be negative he has to be positive too so and that's psychological aspect let me talk about it that is more than the physical aspect I have been mentally preparing myself for the psychological aspect and that's what I want to talk about in this program of mine